Hey friends, Tom Wiley here. An example today of how to turn a problem into a solution. So the other day I ran into this garden hose, ran over it with the lawnmower over there. And so we had a geyser going over there the last couple days whenever this hose was turned on. Then I was over here looking at our pregnant, very pregnant Wilma the pig, who is ready to give birth any day now. And she was sitting out here miserable in the heat. We moved her to this pen from the pond so that when she gives birth, the babies aren't falling into the mud and in there with the other adults and stuff. So this is her nest area. This is an area we want beat up anyway because we want to turn it into more garden space. I realized, why am I letting a geyser of water flow over there uselessly, and have a hot suffering pig over here? Why don't I just reroute the hose over the greenhouse and have it geysering right here over the hot pig? Now the pig gets cool. Yes, eventually I'm going to fix that hose, but I realized right now it'll serve a purpose. It can help Wilma stay cool. I don't want to run it too much because she's going to turn this whole thing into mud really fast. So I'm probably going to turn it off now and give her a break. But basically I have the ability now to turn it on for a couple minutes, let her cool down, and then turn it off instead of just it being a waste. This is the next day. I ran it for probably an hour and a half, maybe a little longer than I should have because there's quite a bit of water under there, but Wilma's enjoying it. You like it, Wilma? Is this nice? Oh. She is so pregnant. Good girl. This is part of permaculture, guys. One of the biggest principles of permaculture is taking waste from one thing as a source for another thing. You take your garden waste and you throw it to the pigs or to the chickens. You take your waste as far as a beat up area that no longer will have grass and you turn it into a garden. You take a busted hose and you turn it into a sprinkler for a pig. Think about ways you can combine your wastes or your losses or your problems, turn them into solutions and sources.